Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you're doing well. So today I'm gonna show you that how to clean background app from Walton Orbit Y20. So sometimes actually we keep lots of application on our background for our various purpose. Maybe for a long time it's actually used to some applications like YouTube and lots of application and you are using in your background. But whenever you are just going to clean up your applications, like if you just open some application, like you are just trying to clean, but all the application is not cleaning, like this application will be clean, it will be clean, but this application is not cleaning. If you also press on clean all, but if you check on your background of your phone, but you are seeing that this application is not cleaning. So why is the problem? What is the problem? Actually you can see, like if I open one application again, so just like the clock, if I open it, so you can see this background is unlocked now, but this background is locked. Just you can see simply it's locked and it's unlocked. So if you want to unlock this background, so simply you need to do this like that, and you need to just scroll down a little bit and you need to tap on just, and now you can see it's unlocked. You need to tap on below little bit and then you will just simply press, and then it will automatically will be unlocked, and you will easily remove all the cache like from your phone. Just you can see now it's my clear.